Hi, my name is Spring Tompkins, and I'm the coordinator for the Human Resources Program. I'm also a full-time teacher in the program. I'd like to spend a few minutes telling you a bit about our program, a little bit about the highlights, and some of the things that you might want to know if you're considering human resources as a potential program and future career. First, I'd like to take a little bit of time to talk about the three different HR programs. You might notice we have a 2-year option, a 3-year option, and a fast track. So the 2-year option is simply that. Students are in the program for 2 years, and at the end they receive an Ontario 2-year college diploma. Students who take the 3-year program receive a Business Administration Human Resource Advanced Diploma. The same credential is awarded to the fast track students. However, the fast track students are only in the program for 1 year. Both the 3-year program and the fast track option have a work placement component in the final semester. Please note that the fast track option is only open to students who already have a degree or a diploma in another discipline. So, why human resources? Well, first of all, there are a lot of job opportunities in human resources. It is a dynamic and interesting profession that is evolving all the time. You can imagine just how important this function has been for organizations throughout the pandemic. Human resources has really had to redefine who they are and what services they offer the employers, as the world of work has changed so drastically in the last several months. The other thing that's interesting about human resources is the variety of work. There's never a time to be bored, and students can major in or specialize in different fields after they graduate. They might find jobs as a generalist, where they do a little bit of everything in HR, or they might really focus on something they like, such as training and development, or health and safety, or maybe recruitment and selection, or labor relations. And why St. Lawrence College? Well, as I mentioned, there is a placement opportunity for both the 3-year program and the fast track program, and it really is crucial for students. Students who have experience working in the field are more marketable and have a better chance of securing employment after they graduate. St. Lawrence College also offers experiential learning. We make sure that the students get meaningful and applicable work so that they're ready for the workplace when they graduate. And the other thing, St. Lawrence College offers many pathways to further learning. Students who are interested in pursuing degrees will find there are a lot of options after they leave the college. One of my favorite things about the program is that we do have a common first year for the business students. And what that means is in semesters 1 and 2, students take the exact same courses. At that point, they major in either marketing, accounting, human resources, or take a business diploma. At that point, students know what they like and what they don't like. We oftentimes see an accounting student, for example, come into accounting, but then they realize partway through that they really do like marketing and they make the switch. At this point, it's very easy to slide into the other program because of that common first year. This chart shows the possible pathways that we have. Whether you're doing a 2-year or a 3-year diploma, we have a lot of articulation agreements with other colleges and universities for postgraduate options and for degree options. Probably one of the most common ones is our degree program. We have a BBA that we offer at St. Lawrence College through Laurentian University. Finally, just a quick chat about career opportunities. Our graduates find work in both public sector and private sector, and in fact, many of our placement supervisors are graduates of the HR program. Our students find jobs in pretty much any larger organization, places like Queen's University, St. Lawrence College, Kingston General Hospital, Corrections Canada, Parks Canada, Hotel du Hospital, Ministry of Government Services. Pretty much anywhere you find people, you're going to find an HR department. Here's my contact information. You can reach me by email. I would be happy to set up a meeting with you through Zoom or Teams or some other platform if you wanted to chat a little bit more about the program and learn a little bit more about human resources and about St. Lawrence College. Thank you so much for listening. I appreciate your time.